Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a couple of reports that came out in the past couple of weeks that we did talk about one of them, and it is very interesting. So it has to do with, of course, problems that some have reported and say that happened after they installed the Patch Tuesday update of KB5083769 in Windows 11. Well, it turns out that the first problem with the boot loop is pretty much a non-issue. What happens apparently is that a website that talks about technology and uses AI to kind of find news items, and the AI took reports that had seen online about a boot loop after this update. But it turns out that it's like 4 or 5 people that have a boot loop problem, which points much more to a problem on their system than Windows itself. And a lot of different websites, including Windows latest, they test the Windows updates on dozens of computers and say there is no such thing as a boot loop problem with Windows 11 on that update. The other one also, there's a report calling about some problems with another internal system with Windows 11 that also seems to come out of pretty much nowhere. Actually, what's happening is that what most people are seeing and what is happening when I look personally also in the background noise that I call the April update for a Patch Tuesday isn't really causing any issues per se. It is, if it causes problems, it is much more related to the systems or the computers themselves that have some kind of issues than the Windows update itself. So all of these reports seem to have been kind of amplified by AI. So, this is the world we live in. We got to be careful with the reporting. There's the second one I didn't report because I didn't see anywhere where you could see it. I look at different blog posts where people complain of problems they have, and that second problem with the bits system is that nothing showed up like that. And even the first report that I looked at, the boot loop, I reported it, but I could not clearly see that there was something really out of the ordinary, because every Patch Tuesday there's people in a boot loop, and most of the time it's your problem is the computer or something you did or something you have on your PC. So the April Patch Tuesday actually seems to be rolling out pretty well in general. And the only problems seen with it is on the server side, where some had to re-enter a bit locker recovery key for getting back to access to their computers. That's it. So we got to be careful with reports that we have online and verify sources and try to make sure that what we talk about is as genuine as possible. That's what I also try to do here on this channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.